Hi there YouTube, this is Cardboard Quality, and today I got some Dark Crisis booster packs to open. Yes, got 12 of them. I actually got another 12, but I'll save those for another video. But yeah, these didn't come in a booster box, so the ratios are pretty much way off. I was told on eBay that they were from Legendary Collections, so I have no idea how this is going to end. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting. These are American packs, so just wanted to let you guys know. Some cards I would love to see would be Skill Drain and of course Exodia Necros. Let's see. Acrobat Monkey. Wow. Battle Footballer. Shinato's Arc. Whoa! And we start off with a super rare Berserk Dragon. Damn, 3,500. Must be some downside to him. Well, cool. And a rare Fear from the Dark. So yeah, originally these boosters are not containing any rares and holos. It's either a rare or a holo, but since it has been reprinted so late, it came with both. I mean, they changed it. Yeah. If it makes sense what I'm saying, of course. Whoops. Yeah, if this pack could cooperate, that would be so great. There we go. What? Outstanding Dog Maron. Let's see. Dog. Okay. Kelbeck. Arsenal Summoner, a Dark Scorpion Chick the Yellow, we got a rare Different Dimension Gate, cool, Battle Scarred, Valpawn Archfiend, Mustering of the Dark Scorpions, and Ray of Hope. Arsenal Summoner again, Frozen Soul, Acrobat Monkey. Whoa, there we go. Oh, sick. Skull Archfiend of Lightning, ultra rare. Nice. Now that's a card I really wanted as well. Wow. Different Dimension Gate for our rare again. Gravity X Grawl. Staunch Defender, Little Wingard, and Morale Boost. Oh, that was sick. Outstanding Dog Maron again. Non-spellcasting area. Guardian Chaos. What? Are you kidding me? Oh. Another ultra rare, Cast Down. Oh, that's sick. Wow. Man, this is going so good. Guardian Bow or something. Falling Down. Dice Reroll. Solga and Ojama Green. Holy crap, we've opened 4 and we've got 3 holos, and two of them are ultras. I was afraid these would be completely tampered with since they didn't come in a box or anything, but Drag Down into the Grave. That's a pretty cool card actually. Rod of Silence KS. A DD Trainer. Guardian KS. And a rare Archfiend Soldier. 1900 beta. That was pretty good back then. Little Wingard. Oh, just a second. Little Wingard. Vilepawn Archfiend. Cyberator and Altar for Tribute. Another Guardian Kayest. Sakuratsu Armor. That's so good. Precious Cards from Beyond. Contract with the Dark Master. Oh, this reminds me of something from the anime. Legendary Flame Lord. A rare ritual monster. It's actually cool. Dice Reroll. Solga. Another Ojama Green. And Fairy of the Spring. Okay, I believe we're halfway through now. Yep, just 6 more packs this time. Sisters of Dakla. Iron Blacksmith Kotetsu. Pandemonium Watchbear. Oh, and another ultra rare Kaiser Glider. Damn, I'm getting all the ultras. Nice. Legendary Flame Lord again for our rare. Wow. Archfiend Raw. Sakuratsu Armor. And a super rare Spell Vanishing. Cool. Infernal Queen Archfiend rare. Some Dark Scorpion stuff. Desrook Archfiend. Battle Scarred and Vilepawn Archfiend. Rod of Silence. Oh, what? Are you... Wow. Another ultra rare. Shinato, King of a Higher Plane. Wow. Can we pull more ultra rares? How many ultra rares does this set have? Fear from the Dark rare. Final Countdown. Gaga Gigo. Spell Reproduction. Oh man. This is so good. 3 more packs. Shadow Knight Archfiend. Open. Checkmate. And a rare Wicked Breaking Flame Birch Bow. Altar for Tribute. Guardian Elma. Ninkin Dog. Two more packs, guys. Kilbeck. Archfiend's Oath. And another Archfiend Soldier rare. Final Attack Orders. Despair from the Dark. Desrook Archfiend. And Contract with Exodia. Cool. Anything with Exodia is just, whoa, awesome. Alright, final pack. for this time. Can we get a skill drain rare or something? That would be so nice. Oh, and I ruined the pack. Okay. We got a shooting star bow seal, a really eternal rest, Guardian KS, Sakuratsu armor, a rare Feral Imp, Ojama Green, Despair from the Dark, Mustering of the Dark Scorpions, and another contract with Exodia. Okay, this was so good. So I'll just quickly run through the rares, just because. Boom. Yeah, and now for the holographic cards. We managed to get 4 ultra rares and 2 super rares out of this. So yeah, 6 holos out of 12 packs. That's 1 in every second pack. That's sick. Hope the other half will be just as good. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like my videos, and as always, I'll be back.